Glory to Jesus Christ, glory to the God forever. So it's re-recording of mine old video from 10 years age, talking about vector Linux 7 for old computers. I could not find the link to download Linux 7, vector Linux 7, but vector Linux 7 too. So you see, very bad quality because it was recorded on the phone, on the first one of the first smartphones, STC Tintin 2. So I remake just this tutorial partly because I do not have another old computer to show you the result, but here you can check. Probably I record this part from this video, but the user manual, how to prepare it, how to make it, I will put here. So let's start. So we need this free old program, as the video was based on this program, Xboot. You need to function it correctly, Microsoft Net Framework 4 or higher, if you can't open it. So having this, we click to drag and drop our downloaded ISO file here. Then we need to select the first point, adding using GrabDOS ISO image emulation. So we select the first one. Then we click add this file. Then you need to insert USB drive of 1 GB or more, and then you click on create USB. Then you select your USB drive here and you click on OK. As I do not have such drive here at all, I don't have any drive, so I cannot show you, but this is the manual what was done in this old minor video. Then you open your downloaded image again and you select these two folders and you just recopy them to your to the root directory of your created USB or micro SD USB drive in order for it to function correctly. Then you restart your PC and load it from USB drive, and you may understand what to follow to make it work this live CD. So you see this old video, I don't have this copy right now, but you need to follow the steps on the video. Just use the mouse, as you need to select point, you don't need this, so just follow the video. What do you need to select? Just select what second point, as you see, was selected here in this menu. It's also very important point to select what is selected here, because even if having this, you won't have it work on this old-fashioned PC. with CPU i386 of CPU i486. So it's starting to load or to install, I don't remember. So another point you will have, and just follow select what is selected here. Select number 2, second point. We don't see what's going on, but we must go step by step as it is in old video. So I especially preserve this video because I do not have this version here. I do not have old-fashioned computer right now, and I do not have a USB or micro USB, micro CD USB drive. So now it's installing on this old-fashioned PC with the memory. I do not remember which one, but it was probably 768 megabytes of memory of RAM, and CPU was very low. I do not remember, but it was probably 1 and 6 or 1 and 4 gigahertz. So now it's installing. Probably there was a restart needed, I do not remember. And now it's on the desktop. So such a manual it is. Glorify the God forever.